Our oven should be a pride and joy. It's the appliance that we use the most. We use it every day to cook our foods, but unfortunately it's neglected, and it's the most neglected appliance that we probably own. That's where Viking Cleaners come in. We'll transform your neglected, dishevelled oven and bring it back to its former glory. Just look at these results. The reason why your oven's neglected is because it's hard work, but we can take that hard work out of the equation and come in and transform your oven in a very short amount of time. So come on, get the Vikings in and transform your oven today.